So what's up guys, what's up YouTube, Damian FX here again with another banger. So I'm going to talk about NFP on Friday, which was last week, how I traded NFP on Friday. NFP really did me dirty guys, like took me out and went my way. Like that was so crazy. I don't know how to feel. So I'm going to dive into my laptop and show you the process and how NFP dealt with me. I was so sad guys, because I saw many posts on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, how people are smashing the market, how people smashed NFP on Friday. Why is my own different? So let's dive into my laptop screen and I'm going to show you. Peace. So I trade the ORB strategy and it has been very good, yeah, because I've been using it for a while. I've back tested the strategy and it's been good guys. So my buyers for Friday, look at what NFP did. Took me out. Take a look. Took me out, then went my way. Like how many? Just with a spike. It's crazy man, it's crazy. See, I was in the sell by 10 a.m. By 10 a.m. look, I sent the signal to my group. See, sell good, and look at NFP took us out. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group, link should be on the description. So just take a look at the trade, because all my trade I usually use 40 pips stop loss guys, nothing more than 40 pips. I wish I increased these to like 50 pips stop loss on gold. Like NFP gave me how many pips is this? Went 257 pips in profit. I and my team will have been smiling by now. We will have been smiling hard. But what can I say? I'm not my papa get the market. So guys, like you cannot escape losses. Never. You can never escape losses in Forex. You can never ever escape losses in Forex. So let's check this week so far, from Monday 30th of September till yesterday. Yesterday was 4th of October. Look at Monday, we smashed TP 122 pips. Tuesday 124 pips. Wednesday SL. Thursday 80 pips. Friday did us dirty. Now let's calculate every single thing. Let's calculate every single thing from this week. So this is 122 pips plus 124 pips plus, okay, SL hits mixed with SL hits, okay, 40 pips, SL hits. It's my stop loss, then plus 80 pips in profit, plus 80 pips, which is 326 pips. Then we lost on Wednesday and we lost on Friday. So 40 pips, which is 80 pips. So 326 pips minus 80 pips. So we won 246 pips in profit. Guys, 246 pips in a week. I think it's good. To be honest, it's good. Now, you're trading a profile or your live account. Let's say for those using 0.01, 246. So you want to calculate it into monetary as into money now. So 246 pips, and if you're using 0.01, you calculate it as 246 pips times 0.1, which is 0.1 cent. You made $24.06 in a week. Isn't that amazing? Now calculate it. Let's convert it to naira. I think naira should be 17 or 1650 now. 40k, 40,590 naira in a week. Let's say you are making this in a month. Let's say times 4. 162k in a month. Like, can you imagine? Let's say you use 246 pips, use 0.1 lot size, which is $1. 0.1 is $1 times 1. You made $246 times our Nigerian currency now, 405,000 naira in a week. Let's calculate it in a month times 4, which is 1.6 million naira, guys. So this is how you manage your trade using the perfect lot size, not using one lot size today, using two lot size tomorrow, using 0.01 the next tomorrow. You understand? So NFP did us dirty, guys. Just took us out with a spike. That's why you need to be you need to always give your SL breathing space. You get? I think that's what I'll start doing now. You need to start giving your SL breathing space. So you know what I do when I hit stop loss? Let me show you what I do, guys. So guys, let me show you what I do every single time I hit stop loss. Let me show you what I do to console myself. Let's go.
Yeah, the 1987, whatever it is.
Okay guys, this is what I do every single time I hit stop loss. I just come to my balcony and just look at cars on the road. So let's look at the road now. We are going to be counting the amount of bends, because what I do is I count bends. Anytime I hit stop loss, it motivates me. You understand? So let's look for bends. Let's see, maybe we can find 5 bends on this road. Let's look. No, we have not seen. Okay, there's one bends there. There's one. Saw one. The second bends. That's second bends. What else again? Come on. I don't know bends in Lagos again. We've seen 2 bends now. The amount of Toyota in Lagos is alarming. Is it because it's cheap? Guys, I don't understand. Where is Benz? Oh my God. We've only seen 2 Benz and I'm going 5. Come on, come Benz. Benz is my favorite car. I don't know why it's now scarce on this road. Oh God. Damn, I'm going to sleep here. Okay, that's the third Benz. That's the third one. That's the third Benz. 2 more to go. Okay, that's the range. Okay, number 4, that's the 4th Benz. One more. Come on, Benz, don't disappoint me. One more Benz to show up. AMG C300s, GLE, GLK. Come on, anyone. That's also a Benz, this is truck, but I'm not going to classify that as a Benz. Who does that? One more Benz to go. Damn. How many minutes have we been on this?
One more Benz to go. Let's wrap it up. Come on, messages. Where are you? Oh no, that's a BM. And that's the final Benz. That's the final Benz for Matic. That is the final Benz. Finally. So guys, that is all what I do if I hit the stop loss. I just go outside, see the view. It motivates me. Without further ado, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. Let's take this YouTube channel far away. So thank you guys. I'll keep updating you guys about my journey in the Forex space, and I'll be talking about my preference, how I trade, how I take my trades, every single thing. I'm not going to be hiding anything from you guys. You guys are my family. Peace, love, peace out.